Well, do I make it?
Aye, go on. All of it, all like push it into a pile. Aye.
Go and get the bog room.
Why I man? Why I just pour it into your gob here?
Go and get a couple of glasses of water.
Yeah, aye. Sean gave him a couple of glasses of water.
Sniff it?
You didn't have to fucking buy water, you retard. Go on.
No, I can't sniff it.
No, into your mouth, man. Suck it into your mouth.
Like that.
Aye. All of it is what you got.
Aim for fully and all that.
Well,
Get the water!
Five for me, isn't it?
Definitely.
I want to check for any little fucking spiky bit.
Nail in the bottom.
Oh, I don't like rubber.
The nail in the bottom. There's a nail. I don't like rubber like.
Murder shit.
Go for it.
Oh, there's.
As soon as he sucks it, fucking pull it out.
Nice to me, matter wet.
Go for it.
Good stew.
I need a bog roll, man.
You didn't need to wipe your shit, man, away.
Yeah, I need something better to fucking.
Use your hands in.
I need something better, man. Stuck with this.
Use your hand, man. Aye.
Go for it.
Just lick it or something.
I'm gonna go tenner.
Yeah, you're getting a fiver for stew, just whack it all into your cup, go on. Now's the time.
Oh, no.
Quick, ease, Paul.